In 2018, Jesús Cruz-López and colleagues published a paper in Systematics and Biodiversity describing a new genus of Ortholasmatine harvestmen that didn't fit into any existing subgroups. They called the new genus Cryptolasma. The Ortholasmatinae are a subfamily within the family of harvestmen Nemastomatidae. What makes them easily recognizable is their dorsal sculpture. The upper surface of their bodies is covered in tubercles whose arms overlap and fuse to create a pattern of raised cells. Additionally, most ortholasmatines possess a distinctive hood around their eyes, a forward projecting process from the head, often bearing T-shaped tubercles. Before this paper, the Ortholasmatinae contained 5 genera and about 21 species. Their distribution is one of the strangest in harvestman biogeography. They are found only in Western North America, from southern Canada to Honduras, pockets of central Mexico, Japan, and Thailand. They are completely absent from Europe, Africa, South America, and the entire southern hemisphere. Their East Asian North American disjunction is a pattern seen in many ancient lineages and is generally attributed to past connectivity across the Bering Strait. The strangeness began when Cruz-López and his colleagues collected specimens of ortholasmatines from 2 sites in Veracruz, Mexico. These specimens had features of 2 different genera. Their ocular process, that hood-like projection from the head, was narrow and ornate like the genus Trislasma, but their penis bore dimorphic cetacean, or 2 different distinct types of seeds on the glands of the penis, a feature previously known only in the genus Dendrolasma, a genus from Japan. To resolve the question, they conducted a molecular phylogenetic analysis. Previous understanding of relationships within the subfamily rested entirely on morphology. Cruz-López and colleagues sequenced 2 molecular markers from representatives of all 5 known ortholasmatine genera, plus their new mystery specimens. The results were clear. The new specimens did not nest within any existing known genus. Instead, they were recovered as sister groups to all other ortholasmatines. The authors formally described the new genus as Cryptolasma. Cryptolasma can be distinguished from other members of its group by a combination of features. It has an ocular process that is dorsally inserted, curved forward, and covered with many disorganized anvil-shaped tubercles. Underneath that process, there is a row of spatulate setae. The genus has the highest number of lateral hood processes in the subfamily, 4 to 5 pairs, compared to 3 or fewer for all other genera. The dorsal shield surface of Cryptolasma is covered with randomly distributed anvil-shaped tubercles that do not form a distinctive cell-like pattern characteristic of other ortholasmatines. The penis stylus is hooked with an abrupt apex, and the glans bears dimorphic lateral sedal spikes. Perhaps the most fascinating aspect of Cryptolasma is its behavior. Living specimens of Cryptolasma aberrante were observed to cover their entire bodies with dirt, encrusting themselves in a layer of soil that renders them nearly invisible on the forest floor. This behavior is similar to soil incrustation seen in the Tragulids, a separate family of the Dypsnoi from Europe. How the soil is held in place isn't fully known. The genus name Cryptolasma refers directly to this camouflage behavior. The broader significance of this discovery extends beyond taxonomy. Cryptolasma was found in 2 very different habitats: remnant cloud forests surrounded by urban Zalapa, and pine forests of Mexico's highest volcano, suggesting it may be more widely distributed than records initially indicate. This study also underscores how much remains unknown about harvestman diversity, even in relatively well-studied subfamilies. The Ortholasmatinae have been considered one of the best known groups of Opiliones, with comprehensive taxonomic treatments. Yet a genus representing the deepest divergence within the subfamily went completely unrecognized until 2018.